Welcome to the last day of Module 1, Thursday, September 24th. Let's see what we have to do for today. Remember, the first thing that you will do is watch this video. Next, you will go to Async. You have quite a few things to do today. The first is a school survey. Last night, I sent a remind text to fill out the survey. Please fill out the survey. It's very, very important for the school. Next, you have a Nearpod about how to use Achieve 3000. Remember Achieve 3000? Some of you know it as Spark, is a program that tests your English comprehension skills in reading. So we are going to use this program more, and this Nearpod will explain how to use it. So remember to click Join Session, and then you are going to go through it and read. You should take notes as you do this. Your Lexile level, how do you find your Lexile level? Your career goals, and you're going to watch a video. And then, how do you increase your Lexile level? Read each slide. Then you're going to watch a video on how you should read an article and do the activity quiz at the same time. Helpful features. Achieve 3000 has a lot of things that can help you improve your reading skills. So these are some of the things that are provided to you. Then you're going to watch another video about how to use the program. And then you have some questions to answer. Remember to read everything before you answer and then submit. There are more questions after. We're just going to stop here for now. Back to our async folder. Also, I do want to say about the school survey that you need to sign in with your CR email, your Carlos Rosario email, in order to have access to the school survey. The next thing, you will read an article in Achieve 3000. So the article you're going to read is called Which Career is Right for You? You will click here and you will sign in and you will read the article and do the activity. So let's sign in so I can show you how to do it. So you sign in. It takes you directly to the article. You are not doing the before poll. Always the article and the activity, number 2 and number 3. So when you get here, you click on number 2, you read the article, and then you click on number 3 to do the activity. Remember, you need to get at least 75% the first time. If you don't, that's okay. You can always take the quiz again. Our last activity for today is a Flipgrid. You are going to do a Flipgrid about workplace interests and community interests and skills using gerunds and infinitives. You can click here to go to the Flipgrid. I know some people are still having issues with Flipgrid. You can click here, go to flipgrid.com. Here is the code 68B0DA1F. And then you'll sign with your CR Gmail and you will get to the Flipgrid. And that's it for async. Here is sync. In sync, we will be doing a Spark or Achieve 3000 orientation. So I will go into more detail on how to use the program. We are going to look for our Lexile level for the career that we choose also. So that will be very important steps to do. Please have a pen and paper so you can take notes. A lot of information. And that's it. Good luck.